development of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025. Overview. The initiative to develop a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025 is a significant project aimed at fostering international economic cooperation and integration. With a projected budget of approximately $4 million, the platform will leverage advanced software architectures to facilitate seamless interactions among diverse economic stakeholders across various countries. The project is largely funded by a grant from the National Science Foundation (NSF) to Creative Business Solutions Incorporated specifically for the ESPCOR Program Monitoring System. This funding, amounting to around $4.5 million, began on April 1, 2022 and is expected to conclude by March 31, 2024, with possible extensions until March 31, 2026. Key objectives. 1. Integration of economic activities. The primary goal of the platform is to integrate various economic activities and stakeholders from different nations, making it easier to collaborate, share resources, and conduct trade. 2. Robust software architecture. Establishing a strong software architecture that can support complex interactions and functionalities is crucial for the platform's success. 3. Timely implementation. The project is on a tight timeline with phases of development scheduled to meet the 2025 deadline. Budget allocation and funding. The funding provided by the NSF includes various modifications and outlays, confirming a dedicated commitment to the project's success. The budget breakdown indicates a structured approach to project management covering different aspects of software development, research, and operational costs. Total award amount, $4.5 million. Current obligated amount, $4,497,468.25. Outlaid amount, approximately $3.7 million. Software architectures. Overview. The development of the platform necessitates the exploration of various software architectures that can effectively facilitate multinational collaboration. Below are 3 proposed software architectures that could be employed. 1. Microservices architecture. Description. This architecture divides the platform into small, independent services that communicate via APIs. Each service is responsible for a specific function, which allows for flexibility and scalability. Advantages. It enables continuous integration and deployment, making it easier to update individual services without affecting the entire system. Moreover, it supports the use of different technologies for different services, allowing for optimization based on specific needs. 2. Monolithic architecture. Description. A traditional approach where the platform is built as a single unified unit. All components are interconnected and interdependent within one codebase. Advantages. This architecture is simpler to develop and deploy initially. It can be more efficient for smaller teams and projects with limited scope. However, it may pose challenges as the platform scales. 3. Event-driven architecture. Description. This model focuses on the production and consumption of events to trigger actions within the platform. It allows for real-time processing of information and user interactions. Advantages. The architecture is highly scalable and responsive. It is particularly useful for applications requiring immediate feedback and interaction, such as transaction processing in an economic collaboration setting. Project timeline. April 1, 2022, the NSF award to Creative Business Solutions Incorporated officially commenced. March 31, 2024, scheduled end date for the current phase of the project, potentially extending to March 31, 2026 depending on progress and funding modifications. Ongoing modifications. Throughout the project, several funding modifications have been documented, indicating ongoing adjustments in budget allocation and project scope. Conclusion. The initiative to develop a multinational economic collaboration platform is characterized by its structured funding, a clear timeline, and a focus on robust software architecture that will support seamless international economic integration. The NSF's commitment to funding this project underscores the importance of technological advancements in fostering global economic collaboration. As the project progresses, further exploration into specific software functionalities and user requirements will be crucial to ensure the platform meets its intended objectives by the targeted completion date of 2025. Counterintuitive information in the content regarding the development of a multinational economic collaboration platform includes 1. Budget allocation versus project scope. The project is allocated a budget of approximately $4 million, but the NSF award to Creative Business Solutions in totals around $4.5 million. This raises questions about whether the budget is sufficient given the project's ambitious scope of creating a multinational platform that integrates diverse functionalities. 2. Funding modifications and adjustments. The presence of multiple funding modifications suggests ongoing financial adjustments and potential misalignment between initial budgeting and actual project needs. This could imply either underestimation of costs or evolving project requirements, which is contrary to the expectation that well-defined projects have clearly set budgets. 3. Initial timeline versus potential extensions. The project was originally set to conclude by March 31, 2024, with a potential extension until March 31, 2026. This extension indicates that the project may face delays or challenges, which is not uncommon in large-scale initiatives. However, it contradicts the expectation that such projects are typically completed on time if adequately planned. For single offer received, the solicitation for the project resulted in only one offer being received, which is unusual for a project of this scale and importance. This could imply a lack of competition or interest from other qualified firms, raising concerns about the robustness of the procurement process and the potential limitations in innovation and capability that could arise from working with a single vendor. 5. Focus on software architecture amidst budget constraints. There is a strong emphasis on the need for a robust software architecture to facilitate international economic integration. However, the tight budget may limit the ability to develop and implement the most advanced or suitable architectural solutions, which could compromise the platform's effectiveness, contrary to the expected outcome of leveraging cutting-edge technology. 6. Technical services emphasis and practical limitations. The funding highlights a significant emphasis on technical services for computer system design. However, the practical limitations posed by budget constraints may prevent the implementation of the most sophisticated designs, leading to a gap between the theoretical expectations for the platform's capabilities and the practical realities of what can be achieved within the financial limits. These points reveal a complex interplay between budget scope, competition, and project management that may not align with typical expectations for such initiatives. The report on the development of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025, which is set against a backdrop of a $4 million budget, contains several nuanced details that are significant yet may be overlooked by many readers. Here are the critical aspects that deserve further scrutiny along with their significance. 1. The role of the National Science Foundation (NSF). While the report mentions the NSF's funding of approximately $4.5 million, it is essential to highlight the NSF's dual role as both a funding body and a facilitator of advanced technological development. The NSF's involvement indicates a prioritization of projects that not only promise economic benefit but also push the boundaries of technological innovation. Significance. The NSF's backing suggests that the platform is not merely a financial initiative but also a strategic move to enhance the technological framework for international collaboration. This could lead to advancements in software architecture and system design that may set a precedent for future projects. 2. Budget allocation and modifications. The detailed financial information, including the initial award amount and subsequent modifications, indicates a dynamic project management approach. The fact that adjustments have been made to the funding throughout the project's lifecycle reflects the complexities involved in such a large-scale initiative. Significance: understanding how funds are allocated and modified can provide insights into the project's adaptability and responsiveness to emerging challenges or opportunities. This flexibility can be crucial in a rapidly evolving technological landscape, ensuring that the platform remains relevant and effective. 3. Software architecture focus. The emphasis on robust software architecture is critical. The report mentions 3 proposed software architectures, yet it does not delve into the specifics of these models. This omission may lead to a lack of understanding of the technological frameworks that will support the collaboration platform. Significance: the choice of software architecture will have profound implications for the platform's scalability, security, and user experience. A thorough exploration of potential architectures could reveal innovative strategies for dealing with the complexities of integrating diverse economic stakeholders from different countries. 4. International collaboration dynamics. The platform aims to facilitate interaction between various economic stakeholders across nations. However, the report does not address the socio-political factors that could influence collaboration. Significance: recognizing the dynamics of international relations, cultural differences, and regulatory environments is essential for the platform's success. Successful implementation will require not just technical solutions but also strategies for fostering trust and cooperation among stakeholders. 5. Project timeline and extension potential. The timeline indicates a start date of April 1, 2022 with an end date of March 31, 2024 and a potential extension until March 31, 2026. While the timeline is mentioned, the implications of the potential extension are not explored. Significance: the possibility of extending the project timeline could reflect either challenges in execution or a recognition of the project's complexity. Understanding the reasons behind the extension could provide valuable lessons for future projects in terms of planning and resource allocation. 6. Data handling and user interaction. The report briefly touches on the need for software that can efficiently handle data and user interactions. However, it lacks a discussion on data privacy, security, and ethical considerations in handling sensitive information across borders. Significance: as international collaborations often involve sensitive data, addressing these issues upfront is crucial. Failure to prioritize data security could undermine the platform's credibility and operational effectiveness, particularly in an environment where data breaches are increasingly common. 7. Integration of diverse functionalities. The overarching goal is to create a platform that integrates diverse functionalities across multiple nations. However, the report does not specify what these functionalities might be. Significance: identifying and detailing these functionalities would be vital for understanding how the platform will operate in practice. This includes considering user needs, the types of economic activities supported, and how various stakeholders will interact with the platform. 8. Potential for future expansion. The report implies that the current project may lead to further initiatives or expansions in the future, especially if successful. Significance: highlighting the potential for future projects can inspire confidence among stakeholders and investors. It also opens up discussions regarding sustainability and long-term impacts on global economic collaboration. Conclusion. In summary, while the report provides a foundational overview of the multinational economic collaboration platform's development, it is the nuanced details regarding funding dynamics, software architecture, international collaboration, and data management that are critical for comprehensive understanding. These elements not only illuminate the complexities of the project but also underscore the broader implications for international economic relations and technological advancement. Recognizing and addressing these often overlooked aspects can significantly enhance the initiative's success and sustainability in the long run. The development of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025 with a budget of approximately $4 million is a significant initiative that seeks to enhance economic integration across borders. Here are the 4 most valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion. 1. Budget and funding structure. The project's funding is anchored by a $4.5 million award from the National Science Foundation (NSF) to Creative Business Solutions Incorporated specifically for the ESPCOR Program Monitoring System. This financial backing highlights the commitment to developing a robust platform that can support international economic collaboration. The structured funding, including various modifications throughout the project lifecycle, indicates a dynamic approach to budget management that adapts to project needs. Analyzing how this funding is allocated and utilized can provide insights into effective project management practices in large-scale governmental initiatives. 2. Timeline and project phases. The project timeline is critical, starting on April 1, 2022 and set to conclude by March 31, 2024, with a potential extension until March 31, 2026. This timeline allows for a phased approach to development, which is essential for managing complex projects with multiple stakeholders. Understanding the implications of this timeline on project deliverables, stakeholder engagement, and resource allocation will be crucial in evaluating the platform's success. Moreover, exploring the challenges that may arise during each phase can inform best practices for future projects with similar scope and objectives. 3. Software architecture considerations. A primary focus of the initiative is the development of a robust software architecture that supports seamless interaction among diverse economic stakeholders across various countries. This necessitates a thorough discussion on the proposed software architectures, including potential models, frameworks, and technologies that could be employed. Analyzing different architectural approaches, such as microservices, cloud-based solutions, or blockchain integration, can shed light on their advantages and limitations in facilitating international collaboration. Additionally, exploring user interface design and data management strategies will be vital for ensuring usability and scalability. 4. Integration of diverse economic stakeholders. The overarching goal of creating a collaborative platform highlights the importance of integrating diverse economic stakeholders, including businesses, governments, and non-profit organizations from different nations. This integration poses unique challenges, such as aligning regulatory frameworks, cultural differences, and varying economic conditions. A discussion around strategies for fostering collaboration, ensuring data security, and maintaining compliance with international standards will be critical. Analyzing case studies of existing multinational collaboration platforms can provide valuable lessons on overcoming these challenges and achieving successful outcomes. These points serve as a foundation for a comprehensive analysis of the development of a multinational economic collaboration platform encompassing financial, technical, and socio-political dimensions that are integral to its success. 1. The European Union's Galileo Project. The Galileo project, initiated by the European Union, aims to establish a global navigation satellite system (GNSS) to provide high-precision positioning services. The project faced significant budgetary and technical challenges, with initial cost estimates ballooning from €3 billion to over €10 billion. The architecture includes a constellation of satellites and ground stations, and it serves as a significant multinational collaboration effort, integrating various technologies and aligning regulatory frameworks among member states. 2. The International Space Station (ISS). The ISS represents one of the most ambitious international collaborations in history, involving space agencies from the United States NASA, Russia Roscosmos, Europe ESA, Japan JAXA, and Canada CSA. The project required complex software architecture to manage the integration of various systems from different countries, enabling scientific research and international cooperation in space. The budget for the ISS has exceeded $150 billion since its inception, showcasing the challenges and successes of multinational collaboration in high-stakes technological environments. 3. The Common Agricultural Policy (CAP) of the European Union. The CAP involves extensive collaboration among EU member states, focusing on agricultural economics and rural development. It encompasses a range of software architectures for managing subsidies, agricultural data, and compliance across member states. The budget for CAP is substantial, amounting to nearly €60 billion annually, which reflects the complexities of integrating diverse economic interests and regulatory frameworks within a multinational context. The CAP has seen reforms over the years to address efficiency and sustainability, highlighting the challenges of managing a collaborative economic platform. Future outlook: development of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025. The development of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025 represents a significant trend in global economic integration and digital collaboration. With a projected budget of approximately $4 million in funding from the National Science Foundation (NSF), this initiative aims to create a robust infrastructure that connects diverse economic stakeholders across borders. Below are predictions for the future of this project, focusing on the anticipated software architectures and potential impacts. 1. Software architectures. A. Microservices architecture. By 2025. It is expected that a microservices architecture will be the primary choice for the platform's development. This approach allows for the construction of independent services that can be developed, deployed, and scaled individually. Microservices will enable the platform to integrate diverse functionalities such as payment processing, data analytics, and user management seamlessly. This flexibility will foster innovation, allowing different teams to experiment and implement new features without affecting the entire system. B. Cloud-native architecture. The adoption of cloud-native architecture will also likely be a key component of the platform. This model leverages cloud computing technologies to provide scalability, reliability, and flexibility. By utilizing cloud services, the platform can efficiently manage fluctuating workloads and ensure high availability across different regions. It is anticipated that partnerships with cloud service providers will facilitate faster deployment and maintenance of the infrastructure, while also reducing costs associated with physical hardware. C. Blockchain-based architecture. To enhance security and transparency, a blockchain-based architecture may also be integrated into the platform. This technology will provide a decentralized and immutable record of transactions, fostering trust among users from different nations. By 2025, it is expected that the platform will use blockchain to streamline cross-border payments, manage contracts, and facilitate trade agreements, thereby reducing the risks associated with international economic collaborations. 2. Budget allocation. The $4 million budget is projected to be allocated across several key areas, including research and development (R&D). A significant portion will be dedicated to R&D, focusing on software architecture design and ensuring that the platform meets the needs of various stakeholders. Infrastructure and hosting. Funds will be allocated for cloud services to host the platform, ensuring scalability and reliability. Security measures. Investment in cybersecurity will be crucial, particularly with the integration of blockchain technology. User experience (UX) design. A portion of the budget will focus on UX design to ensure that the platform is user-friendly and accessible to a global audience. 3. Global economic impact. As the platform develops, it is expected to have several positive impacts on global economics. Facilitation of trade. By providing a streamlined process for transactions and contracts, the platform will lower barriers to trade, particularly for small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) looking to enter international markets. Increased collaboration. The platform will serve as a hub for collaboration among businesses, governments, and institutions, fostering partnerships that can lead to innovation and economic growth. Data-driven decision-making. With integrated data analytics capabilities, stakeholders will be able to make informed decisions based on real-time economic data, enhancing strategic planning and operational efficiency. 4. Challenges and considerations. While the future outlook appears promising, there are potential challenges that must be addressed. Regulatory compliance. navigating the varying regulations across different countries will be crucial. The platform will need to ensure compliance with local laws, particularly concerning data privacy and financial transactions. Cultural differences. Understanding and accommodating cultural differences will be essential for widespread adoption. Tailoring the platform's features to meet the diverse needs of users from different regions will be critical. Technological adaptation. Ensuring that all users are equipped with the necessary technology and skills to utilize the platform will require ongoing training and support initiatives. Conclusion. The development of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025 is poised to transform global economic interactions. With a budget of approximately $4 million and a focus on innovative software architectures, the initiative aims to create a secure, efficient, and user-friendly environment for international collaboration. While challenges exist, the potential benefits of facilitating trade-enhancing collaboration and enabling data-driven decision-making present an exciting future for global economic integration. As the project progresses, continuous stakeholder engagement and adaptive strategies will be essential to ensure its success in the dynamic landscape of international economics.